Well, it's the master, the samurai, farming the land for rhymes. Harvest the bars, grab a mic, get it amplified. Not normally for that stop, pause, pantomime, but why not try it? That'll rhyme. I might have tried harder, kind of an idle bastard, but tried to be lion-hearted, getting lively off a stein of lager. Vibes are darker, going all Skywalker like I'm your father. Quite a palaver, I'm mighty forceful with the style I mastered. Ask the right question, find the answer. Enlighten one like Dalai Lama, harmonize with mindfulness, realizing Dharma. Darker light providing karma, but forget an afterlife, cause half the time can't decide what kind of a life you're after. Crying with laughter or dying to make a little change. Shitty wages instantly rinsing them and I'm still the same. Brought down individual, living in miserable conditions. But if you give me a rhythm, it's a blissfulness. Simple shit, show them who the sickest is. Brutally bludgeon a beat to death in front of witnesses. Been in this a minute, you see me dropping the lyric. It's the iller kid, killing the rhythm like Rodney did with skits. It's the shit, no question, I rep this. Get pissed, wreck shit and rest with a hench split. The way I'm blessed with my vocabulary is so bad and heavy. Should've known that already. Where you been at? In a cul-de-sac, zoned out and messy, and you're home alone, bevy. Better go smash your telly. Don't be fucking with them money cats. Something about the stuff they chat that makes me understand why people questioning their love for rap.
Yeah, I lie dormant, a psychopath snoring. I live the simple life with the biggest malfortune. I listen to cassettes while they're spinning through my Walkman, stinking of the grim effects of cigarettes and poison. But now we're drifting through these images that change, plus they imitate my rage in these pixelating shapes. So you think that I'm strange, I sit and complain and resort to getting drunk on any cynical day, cause it's done with no sun on that British terrain. And when the summer finally comes, it's just a drizzling rain to picture the pain. God's there spitting again, so I scribble all this dribble till I'm big in the head. We had Sven, Lampard and wannabe gangsters who act like street thugs but still shop for their grandma. And that's why I'm mad hard at rocking the mic. I'm that modern day wanker, I say what I like. I'm as hype as the banter on comedy night, and as dumb as the plumber that was knobbing your wife. He got her with a shot of vodka and a bottle of wine. I must have plumbed greasy dollar right on top of her thighs. Aye, swallow your pride but you ain't no proud person. I know you wanna die when you see us crowd surfing, alive burning with white vermin, shouting fuck a dollar bill, we get paid in pounds sterling.